We have a flash flood watch up throughout the day. We're going to see some downpours that could lead to some localized flooding. It's very humid outside, muggy with dew points close to 70. Actual temperatures out the door this morning, 60s to around 70.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood watch for northern counties of Essex, Massachusetts. This includes the cities of Springfield, Boston, Lynn, Cambridge, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood watch producing big-size hail and damaging winds in 90 miles per hour, and was moving temperature miles per hour. Flash floods produce damaging houses and big buildings. Take shelter in the top floor of your house or the top floor of a business.
Some scattered showers and downpours around, and there will be a few for the evening commute as well. And then overnight we'll get one more